Quiz 1. Fill in the blanks with the proper form of the following infinitives. She at 8 every morning.
They. The bed now.
They breakfast at 7:30 every morning.
He never. To work at 10.
She is beating the egg to make a cake.
She. A feather to write at present.
He usually the shower every evening.
He to use chopsticks at this moment.
She to bed at 10 every night.
They always late.
Quiz 2. Fill in the blanks with the proper form of the phrasal verbs. You can see the meaning of the phrasal verbs in parenthesis. She's peeing her pants.
He a new washing machine. She is vegetables now. They the light at 7 in the morning. He his plants. They can buying the new car until next month. She is the egg to make a cake. After folding the clothes, them in the closet. They are a new building near the park. Our cat has cancer and is in too much pain, so the vet wants to put her.
Quiz 3, fill in the blanks and complete the following dialogue with proper form of the following verbs.
Conversation number 1. What do you do?
I at a tech company.
Oh, what do you do there?
I software.
Do you your job?
Yeah, I it.